Today was about offering students career experiences in Otter Tail County and really showing them what exists in our county for career paths to help them to define the choices that they are making to set their schedules for high school and college decisions, and really just exposure of careers and what is available here, so that when a student does decide to go off and leave the county for college, then they know what they can come back to, or they can go right into the workforce and do.
Yeah, I definitely was surprised by the amount of engineering opportunities. I mean, places like, I knew KLN was around, but like places like Lund, but I just not knowing how many engineering opportunities there are there. So that was really neat to see on visits like this, and just from talking with Amy and things she knew about it too.
I'm an avid angler, and so the boats was fascinating. I mean, it was from starting with a piece of aluminum to a beautiful boat at the end, and how the engineering aspect works through all of that. And so at the end of that, you're thinking, wow, this is fascinating, this is amazing. And now we come here and we're making food, and the engineering aspect throughout all of that with the robotics and the ingredients and all, it's not apples to apples, but at the end of the day, it's engineering. And so it's just showing Evan what I want to be an engineer means. You know, we get so bottled up and in a silo in our work, and so we have our ideas of how things should go and what we've seen successful and what maybe hasn't been. But then when you ask the student who's the stakeholder of the program, what do you think, Evan? What do you think we should do about this? It's eye-opening and reminds me that we do need to stop sometimes and listen to who we're building this for. And that is our future workforce. And that is, in this case, Evan. So we're thankful to have him be part of that.
She asked me a lot of questions and tried to give answers, and just my input on the way I see things as a student, because that's a big part of this project that we've been working on, is trying to get students to connect with businesses and figure out careers and stuff and make that connection. So it's hard not having any students in the program to build that program. So that's why that was my job, as being a student.
If I ever stop and I'm in wonder, then I think I need to ask Evan this, or, you know, because then he will help define the direction. So he will be going off to college, and so he won't be with us much longer, but he has been here through the development of this program. And so we have a plan now, and we're moving forward, and it's going to be a great success. So
I think it'll be a really cool program once it gets up and running, and I think it'll help a lot of schools and businesses in Otter Tail County make these connections and really grow.